We're back. Gonna be putting that lift cylinder on the spare this morning. Everyone got it yesterday. It's all ready to go. Brand spanking new here. We'll see how that works compared to the other one. And we've got a new rubber bumper to go on the side where it folds in. This one broke off. So, let's get to it. Now we stuck the pin in up here to hold it. Now I'm just gonna put the line back on. Let's see. Should be fine there.
I think this hose comes over the top. Let me look at the other side.
Yep.
That way it,
Yeah, I was looking at the run of it. I couldn't see.
yeah, it's like,
Shouldn't have to be really super tight. It's got an O-ring in there. Should seal itself up pretty easily. Now we gotta run the hydraulics. Get this out. There, you can pull that up by hand. Now we gotta get this to retract out to there. But the other side's got it locked up. I'm not real sure what to do here. Last time we did it, we had it all the way down, but this should be all the way out. All right, we got her back in here. We had to use the ratchet strap to pull that cylinder out that little bit. This boom's kind of walked out here. We're gonna try to walk it back in here a little bit. Yeah, it's folded out. Touch it and see what happens. Mind us get it out in the yard and do it? We can run through the whole thing and get it.
really fold them in. You need to fold them out, suck them in.
Well, yeah, it's got to all be done the right way. I think it'll ride there backing out.
You want to try to raise it up and down first?
Yeah, we can try to raise it, see what happens. Go up a little more. You're against your stop. You got to go down, and it's got to unlock. It's against the lock. Try it. There you go. Now you're off the lock. It was just all the way down. You should be able to go in now. Both sides got to come in.
Yeah. Now you go down with it.
Let me put the lock on it. Let me put the lock on it. Now we got to put this locking mechanism back on it. go in right here.
We let the
The cylinder's right in front of the stop thing.
try and let it down a little bit, see what it does.
This thing's got to go up.
Let the boom down a little bit. This here. See that? So once it gets past
This is just low. This needs to be up. Whatever this. Is there a button that you control that?
That's all.
Automatic. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Now let's see.
That bolt ain't going in here any fucking way.
Let me see if it'll go up any higher.
Yeah, go up a little higher.
If not, then I'll let it down. We'll see what that does.
Go up a little higher. Can't get them bolts there. It's not quite lined up. So he's gonna let her down a little. Go up, I guess, my bad. Go down. Hold it there. Ooh, I don't know if that'll go in there or not. Boom. Okay, it's back. Got him in, just gotta tighten him down now. Well, we think we got it back together here. It's looking like it is. Zip tie's back on, lock's back in place. These bolts here are back on, holding the lock in place. Now we're gonna get it out, unfold it, cycle it. Just make sure it's running correctly and folding correctly. I don't think that'd be a problem with it, but I always want to check it before you go to the field. You don't want to go to the field and be stuck having a problem there. Get back that out. Cycle it through. Then we'll pick up our tools here. We'll get the steam cleaner out, do some steam cleaning. Spray all this oil off this thing when it blew up in my face yesterday, 2 days ago. All right, now give it a little test run here. Make sure it's everything's functioning. Looks good to me. Yep, everything's rolling smooth. New cylinder's working good, got no leaks. All right. I'd say that's a success. It's not spitting out of the vent hole anymore. Yeah, buddy. Looks good to me. Let Daddy get her folded back up. We can go wash it. Make sure these sit back in the cradle correctly. They usually do, as long as you just take your time and do it right. You gotta make sure it's where it needs to be before you push the buttons. Just it's gotta slide in there ever so gently. Just like that. All right, time to wash it. All right, got some oil drying the floor, drying the oil up. Everything looks good in here. I guess I missed some down in there, but we were just getting her cleaned up for now. When I put it away, I'll make sure I wash it up a lot better than this. We're just blowing the residual oil off of it so it doesn't make a bigger mess, and if we have another leak, we'll know where it's at. And then I put a black, one of these pads here on up at the top because it had got ripped off. That's ready for the field. Whenever the weeds catch back up, waiting on second pass soybeans. The weeds to get bigger and the soybeans to get bigger. I think Dad says he's gonna wash his truck. I'm not sure what's up for the afternoon. Maybe I'll mow my grass, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I'll be lazy. Time will tell. Probably have to go back to my brother-in-law's today and do some more digging on his sewer line, which is no big deal. Help them guys out. I'm not gonna get in the poop water, but I'll dig the dirt. Well, Dad finally went and got a piece of fence, so it looks like we're gonna go put that up. I've been mowing the grass, weed whipping, getting it all nice and fresh looking around here. Dad went home to plant some grass seed in his yard real quick. He's gonna come back. We're gonna go attack this fence and see if we can't get it fixed up where I ran it over. I think he said it was like $64, so I owe him 64 bucks. What are you gonna do? Well, we never made it to the field to fix the fence. It started raining on us a little bit. Not bad, but enough to not work outside, basically. And it's still kind of misty, spitting. Crapola. It's not really a good rain at all. I was hoping for a good one. The grass could use it. But whatever. That's probably the end of the video. End of the day. Give me a like and subscribe. Keep hanging out and watching more. See you guys later.